In this video I am going to show you how to remove the duplicate in the YouTube playlist. Let's go. I'm going to click here and I go to YouTube playlist, and here I'm going to click the playlists, and you have to click your playlist edit. Here you can see my duplicates, and you have to click these three dots here playlist setting. You have to go to the advanced settings, and I go cancel this one, and you can see the duplicates, and you have to click the remove duplicate. I removed my duplicates videos in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.